Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Moneymikes Cooking Tutorials. I am your host, Moneymike. Today I got for you steak, how to cook steak. So these ingredients you're gonna need. Got some steak seasoning. I got some salt, some pepper. No, folks, that is not marijuana. A little bit of canola oil that I'm running out of. Did I say butter? Garlic, and obviously there's the steak. I already got the pan going with a little canola oil, getting nice and hot. You know what I'm saying? The steak's been out for at least 20 minutes so it can get room temp. And then the butter and the garlic that comes in after. And I got the speaker right here bumping that music. Everybody's been asking me about this speaker. You know what I'm saying? You heard of CPT or RP2 or whatever the fuck is in Star Wars? Well, that's my homie. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Anyways, let's get to this cooking shit. Anyways, so the first thing you're gonna want to do, people, is get this steak. And you want to season it. Alright, we're gonna start seasoning the motherfucking meat. You know what I'm saying? I just got the steaks right here. Gonna get the first side. Hit that shit with salt. Don't be scared to hit that shit up with some salt, folks. That's just gonna give it the flavor. Yeah, let it go down. Motherfucking salt. Don't be scared to put no seasoning on this shit. Coat it nice and evenly. Everybody nice and even. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared of that shit. Like the pan's going. Put it down. Oh yeah. Well, talking about. Let's get another one going. Salt. Motherfucking pepper. Salt. Put the salt in here. Get that shit. Oh, yeah. Got pepper all over it. Yeah, my bad. I took so long to drop this motherfucking video, but, you know, life happens, folks. So, yeah, I got both of them chilling in the cup. I'm gonna get my secret weapons out. When you get your garlic, make sure you take that layer, that first layer off. You just want it to look like nice and smooth. And go like this, look. Like that real chef shit, you know what I'm saying? You can already smell that shit. And then I'm gonna use about like half, almost half. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Look at my tongue. Oh, I can't find my tongue. Let me use the fork. Oh, yeah. Looking good. We're gonna throw the garlic up in there. Put that butter up in there. Oh yeah, folks. And this is what's gonna look like when you got it up in the pan, you know what I'm saying? Tell me, huh? Let that shit, let that butter cool down. Look at the color on that bitch. Ooh, let that shit. Shit. All kind of flavor. All kind of flavor. Welcome to Flavor Town, people. Turn up the heat on that bitch. But yeah, it's the humble right here. Well, say hello to my little friend. I make more videos. You know what I'm saying? If y'all need one of these, hit me up. I'm the plug. You know what I'm saying? 4,000 watts. Back to the cooking. Oh yeah. We're getting ready for that flip. Flip gang. Don't worry about the char. The char's coming, folks. It's all about flavor right now. I'm telling y'all. Straight Flavor Town right here, son. That's how you cook a steak, homie. Motherfucking restaurant Stilo. Look at that cabrón over there making a fucking... Y'all see that? I wish y'all could smell this shit. That shit good. Yeah, that shit I was talking about. Oh, y'all. Bro. Burnt myself a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? Get that garlic. Ooh, nigga. Y'all can smell that. It smells like fucking goodness. Oh.
Baby, you know I wanna play ya. Running around the city, think I should run from mail. Let a bitch choose up. You the type of nigga saver. All you niggas disappointments. Let all your bitch rub it on her like an ointment. Catch your bitch on the way, she got it in the and all my niggas finna join. You be worried about a bitch, I be worried about some points.
Alright, y'all. That was another episode of motherfucking Moneymikes cooking tutorial. As you can see, this shit is done, players. About to get a plate, put it on the plate, and let it rest. And then, you know what I'm saying, y'all can eat it however y'all like. Y'all can put some mashed potatoes on the side with some asparagus, whatever's clever. Like I said, I'm your host, Moneymikes, the man with the most. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Yeah.